Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to organize events on Facebook app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So organizing the event on Facebook app is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here, right below the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like friends, professional dashboard, feeds, find friends, groups, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for events and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the events interface. From here, you'll be able to organize the event. In order to create a new event, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to enter the event details and create an event over here. Also, you can upload the photo. If you want to upload the photo, you can tap on this option, pick a GIF, gallery or upload and upload the photo of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option gallery. Now tap on the photo that you want to use. Now once you do that, also enter the event name. Now once you enter the event name, you'll also have to set the date and time. Simply enter the start date and time over here. Tap on the field of date and time. Now from here, you'll be able to select the start date and start time. First of all, tap on the option start date. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the date, tap on the date of your choice and tap on the option set. Likewise, also tap on the option start time. Now you'll also be able to set the time over here. Simply set the time according to your choice. Now once you do that, tap on the option set. So like this, you'll be able to set the date and time, tap on the option done. Now once you do that, answer this question, is it in person or virtual? Tap on this field. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, in person, virtual. Tap on the option of your choice. If you tap on the option in person, you'll also have to enter the location. Simply enter the location over here. You'll be able to see the results. Tap on the result of your choice. Now once you do that, tap on this field, who can see it. Now you'll be able to adjust the event privacy over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the option done. Likewise, you'll also have to enter the details. Tap on the field of what are the details. Now what you have to do is enter the details over here. Now once you enter all this information, tap on this option create event that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you've created the event. You can go ahead and invite the guest and start discussion if you want. So like this, you'll be able to organize the event. So that is how you organize events on Facebook app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.